tugenderete obwagachi bw'echipara ekiombe kirigia Knha na kirigia Kura nigo tukoria rero bakore Etaro ime county ya Kisii erigo chakia EMEROBERIO yobwagachi bw'echipara ekero chibesa chiabwatokirwe ne wizara y'echipara bagokwana ime yegetikia Kisii Stadium mo director bw'ekiombe kiria Kura engineer Silas Kinoti abego mo director general engineer Lucas Meli kurwa se ekiombe kirigia Kura nigo bono batebire EMEROBERIO babekire erigo GOKEANIA obonge ime YETAONI ya Kisii mugavana Paul Simbarati niga atebire buna chi project cy'ubwagachi chipara echo nigo kirachigo chakiwa asama tukabwangwe.
Quickly come up with the designs especially for that flyover. Yeah. We want to shame the devil because they are talking of a lot of things around. Oh, it's just a promise. We want to make it a reality. And I'm happy that the top most leadership of the ministry, they are here. Therefore, for our people, we're going to work. We will continue going to State House if there is more work to be done. If there is more money, we'll go. Because finally you'll ask us, what did you do when others were getting into all these projects? I know it's not easy. Everything takes longer than we expect. But we will be there at the right time. We have realized that there is good work to be done. Therefore, I want to thank the two DGs for joining with us. Hopefully, we'll be able to realize this dream soon than later.
What leadership from this place went to see the president on Thursday, and the president gave a promise to do some infrastructure roads around this area, and give instructions to our CS, Cabinet Secretary David Chirichiri, on what to do. For us, Kura, we are working here in Kisii. We are doing our maintenance of roads and other roads. We are now adding an additional 5 kilometers. We have seen part of the roads as the governor has seen. And don't tell the governor, the dream is a reality now. For us, we have been instructed to come down here, scope the works, do the designs. We take back to our CS. We are going to be funded and start work. So we are hoping that in the next couple of months, we will start doing those works where we have identified. So it's a promise that what the president has said is going to be done. It's going to be done. It's already a directive from the president, and we have no option but to do it.
This is a directive from the president that we need to sort out the congestion within this town. So tumekuja hapa siku ya leo tuangalie wenyewe. Tuangalie so that tukiwa Nairobi tayari tuko na ile picha ambayo tunafaa kufanya ili tusuluhishe mambo ya congestion kwa hii town. Hii shida ya Kisii town tutasuluhisha. We have seen and we will get a solution for the problems around here. That is why the whole team from this region, Nyanza region, who work with Kura and Knha here, wote wako hapa. So atuongee